In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Webull time zone. Getting your platform's clock aligned with your local time makes a big difference when you're watching market opens, tracking pre-market or after-hours moves, or traveling between regions. I'll walk you through it clearly, and we'll keep everything simple. First, open Webull on your desktop computer or head to the Webull website in your browser and log in to your account. Use your usual sign-in method and make sure you're on a secure connection. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see your watch lists, charts, and account panels. Next, look for the Settings area, which appears as a small gear icon. On desktop, you'll often find it in the lower left sidebar or near the main navigation. On the web version, it's commonly in the top right corner of the page. Click the gear to open the Settings panel. This is where Webull collects personal preferences, display options, and other configuration controls so you can tailor the platform to how you work. Inside Settings, find the Time Zone option. It may appear under a General or App Settings section depending on your version. If your Settings pane has a search field, you can type Time Zone to jump right to it. The time zone setting controls how timestamps appear across Webull, including chart axes, news items, order tickets, and watch list updates. Now, select the time zone you want to use. You'll typically see a list with regions and cities, such as major financial hubs or your local city. Pick the one that reflects where you are, or choose a market-centric zone like Eastern Time if you prefer to think in terms of U.S. market hours. Choosing a city in your region helps the platform adjust automatically for daylight saving changes where applicable. Take a moment here to confirm it matches how you plan and track your trades. Finally, click Save or Apply to lock in your change. Some versions might update instantly, but if you see a Save or Apply button, be sure to use it so the new setting takes effect across your account. After applying, glance at a chart or a recent news item to confirm the timestamps now reflect your chosen time zone. You should notice the change right away. That's all it takes. By aligning Webull's time zone with your own, you'll read charts and alerts more accurately and avoid confusion around session times. Thanks for following along, and enjoy a platform that now tells time exactly the way you do.